What is that?
Bobbin? Coming up then. Go on then, up you go.
Go on, go see your dad. Go on,
Up you go.
jumping up. Come on. I've had enough of your games, Dad.
Coming up.
You need a ladder, don't you?
Do, 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 do. Hey, buddy.
Hi, Dad.
What are you doing?
Right, bon voyage.
Have fun.
I won't. Okay, see you, honey.
Later.
I love you.
Good morning, folks. As you can probably hear, the weather has gone crap again, so I'm probably going to have a bit of a van day unless it clears up in a bit. Got a new frying pan. Audi. Always, I should be sponsored by Audi. £3. It is just the best shop ever, especially if you're like living in a van and stuff and you're trying to live on a budget. Audi is the way forward. MOT tomorrow, so looking forward to getting that out of the way. I was going to give that thing another coat of paint underneath where I've welded, so I did paint it. Don't worry, I didn't leave it like that. I primed it with good primer, not that red oxide, and then put this like this paint that I got. It's got bitumen in the paint, so it waterproofs it as well, and also it's quite a thick paint, so it goes into all of those little cracks and stuff where I've done a crap job. We'll seal all that up so it don't get water in there and go rusty. I think it'll be alright. I think it'll pass. I mean, it's fixed it. I was whacking it with a lump hammer and it didn't break, so I was just going to hang here today, but oh god, why do I do that to myself? Because I'm not a million miles away from my mum's. I'm going to nip there and edit, just take the laptop inside, because miserable day in it, I might as well go use free power, and then you can have a little sneaky peeky at the tyres. Just before I head off, have a look at this. I thought this was pretty weird. How do I attack this? So this is by the Cheese Wedge company. Not like affiliated with them or anything, obviously. It's cheese. But bloody charcoal cheese. And when we were walking around the show, Darren kept talking about it, and I'm thinking, what the hell are you on about? I mean, that very strong. Oh my god, that is so good. How do people come up with these ideas? Charcoal in cheese. And I literally mean charcoal in cheese. I mean, it looks like something you wouldn't want to go anywhere near. Black cheese, but that is actually bloody good. So yeah, if you want, I mean, I don't know if this is a thing. Maybe this is a thing already, but the Cheese Wedge company, that's bang on, that is. You gotta try that. My video bits are done, so as promised, you want to see some tyres? I do. Oh yes. Look at the state of them. That right there makes me happy. That's how they should look. That one's actually not too bad. I think that's the best one out of all of them actually, so that's the one I'm going to put on the spare. These tyres are Kumo Road Venture MT51s, and the size is 235 75 15 with a 110 load rating. But yeah, you can see that one's pretty good, it's alright, but this one, for example, is not so good. So yeah. Also, they've been on the van right from when I got it. So they've been on for about 5 years, 4 years, something like that. Through all different climates, so they have started to crack a little bit, which is expected, to be fair. I've had them -20, +40. So, but yeah, overall, these tyres are absolutely sick. That's why I've gone for them again. You've all seen what I've put them through in the snow and what they're capable of. I'm not going to plug the company that I got them from because I emailed them to try and get a discount code for all of you, and they didn't even have the courtesy to reply. So they can get wrecked. But you can get these from all over the place. If you just type them in Google, I'm sure you'll find them. I believe they do a new one now. Is it a KL71? Maybe, I'm not sure. The tread pattern on that does look a little bit more aggressive. I think these are the perfect balance between road and off-road. They have some pretty fair size gaps on them, so you can get my whole finger in that. But I don't know if it's just the way that they're laid out or what, but you don't really get much road noise. And the road handling, even in the wet, is still excellent. Like, you don't slip in them. But then in off-road and in snow, they are absolute beasts. And of course they last. My set that you've just seen out there, around 35,000 miles on them, give or take, something like that. Going on 40,000 actually, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but over 30,000 miles for definite, we'll call it that. Which, out of a tyre like this, in a van like that, in the conditions that I take it, is pretty good. But yeah, so there you go. There's my tyres. They're going on tomorrow. Can't bloody wait. It's not raining right now, so I think I'm going to take this opportunity to stick that vent back on the side. You know, the one that fell off, because somehow I managed to forget. And then, after that, remember in that ridiculously priced van, the electrical compartment illuminated blue, and I said I was going to do it. I wasn't joking. I'm going to do it now. Bloody line up, even though they're both from B&Q. So we're in the back of the beast. Here is our ridiculous new light. We'll try it. Like I say, this area isn't finished yet. The items are in place, but the cabling is all loose. And that's because I've got different wires and all sorts to put on. Go on there. Oh my god, that's bright. I can't see. That was not the smartest thing I've ever done. That is ridiculously bright. Oh, this is gonna look sick. Okay. Oh, I'll get excited easily. Right, I need some wire, which is above you. They're fairly thin wires on it, so I think this twin core stuff should be fine. Now, there'll be those of you there thinking, what's the point? Why do you want your battery compartment to light up blue? Well, there is absolutely no point, but it looks cool. I'm just going to have to hold this on. Turn off these lights. Oh shit. Well, I should have known that was going to happen. Stick my finger on there. Right. They are so bright. There we go, I've just rigged up a real temporary switch situation here. Just for now. I think I'm going to put a control panel in here, so that's why I've done it like that. But yeah, there it is. My van is now worth £150,000. Oh, I don't know, I'll do some stupid shit. Oh, it's the little things like that that just make my day. Right, it's time to go sort these stickers out. So I imagine this is going to take me a little bit, so I'll have to check in later on. I mean, just look at it. You can't tell me that isn't cool. I know it's a mess, don't even go there. Oh, I love it. Right folks, just a quick one before I depart. I noticed after the video yesterday about the stickers, quite a few people buying them again without sending the address. Now it's very important obviously that you do that, otherwise I don't know where the hell to send them. So on the PayPal, when you get onto it and you go to send the money, there'll be a bit where you can like leave a note to the person, and that's where you need to write your address manually. Otherwise there's not a great deal I can do about it. Also had a few questions of how do I even find how to do it. Well, I do plan on sorting a website out soon. That's been delayed a lot. But yeah, I'm probably going to get on that in the next couple of weeks, get one set up. And then it'll be a lot more streamlined how to do it, because it'll just be click, click, buy, done. But yeah, so for now this is what I've got to do. So on every video, at the bottom of the video, now you can't see this if you're watching on a telly, so if you go on your phone or on a computer, on the video at the bottom there's like a little arrow where the title is. Click there, that shows you the description. Scroll down and then there'll be a bit that says stickers, and it tells you on there how to do it. So just in case you didn't know, which I don't think some people do. But yeah, can't do it on a telly, so it has to be on either a phone or a laptop or a computer. Or maybe a tablet as well, I imagine. But yeah, that's it for today. MOT day tomorrow. I am buzzing. Hopefully it all goes through fine, which it should do. Otherwise they're in trouble because I've fixed everything they told me to. I'm not really worried about the welding because it's welded. You know, it's fine, it's solid. Slightly worried about the handbrake, but I mean I have a handbrake, it's just whether it's in balance or not. That's the thing. I don't know if it's messed up the back brake, so we'll see what happens. And yeah, right, so I shall see you all then. Catch you in a bit.